Hey y'all, I'm Rachel with BOTE. Today we have the Dock 10 out here because we're going to show y'all how to properly fold it up once you're done using it. What we do with the Dock 10 you can also use for the Dock 7. So you can normally do this by yourself, but today, just for this video's sake, I'm going to actually have Tyler help me. So each of the docks have a seam in the middle. So in order just to keep your dock in the best condition for the longest time possible, the first step is to fold opposite of the seam. So, and you're going to make sure that everything is lined up, because the neater it is on each step, the easier it will be in the end. Then for your second step, you're going to take the back of it and you'll walk it all the way to the front. And then when you get to this portion, so this is kind of like the final step, you're going to take the side that is curved and we're going to kind of tri-fold it. And then once it's down to this part, it looks like a very clean burrito, you'll take the Carrying Sling. And we'll take the dock, and you can actually just set the dock in the middle of the Carrying Sling.
Yeah, let's come this way.
So the dock's going to go the same, like kind of pair up with the handles. And then you'll be able to fold it over, snap it into place, and you're good to go. And then at that point, you can just pick it up. And that's going to be the easiest way to fold the Dock 10 or Dock 7.